Just kidding, still pasty white. It's just makeup. Hey guys, how's it going? Oh, what's up? What's new? Don't know why I have so much energy. It doesn't make sense. Pretty sure I'm tired. Tonight's look, I guess. It is a bronzy goddess look. Not really goddess, but it's bronze look. Us pasty girls can still look bronzy too, you know? Yeah, this look is super easy. Honestly, you can also wear it every single day. You can go to school when it starts up. Anyways, I'm out. If you guys want to see this look, you know, stay tuned. If you enjoy it, please, you know, leave that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, which is in this corner. I'm learning. Okay, bye.
Okay, let's get started. I have already prepped my eyes with concealer and set that with powder. Next, I'm going in with Bobbi Brown Toast. This is kind of like a soft brown, or any light brown transition color you have will work. Just do your windshield wiper motions and then buff that out in circular motions, guys, to make it look flawless. We are grabbing this red copper shade. It's called Cosmopolitan by Makeup Geek, and this bronzy copper color, it's called Loreal, I'm pretty sure. It's from M.A.C, and I'm just grabbing a crease brush, mixing these two together, and then applying it all over the lid and buffing it into the crease, but not going any higher than where our transition was. After that is done, you just want to blend everything out and, you know, make it flawless once again. I say that way too many times. Next, we're going in with Makeup Geek again. This is called BRUN. It's a very dark brown. But honestly, if you want to do a little bit more than what I did, that is totally fine. It'll still look natural. I just wanted to kind of fill in my lower lashes so that when I put false lashes on, it would kind of make them look fuller, if that makes sense. But yeah, just go along the lash line and then flick up like I am right there to kind of blow it out. Lashes again, I don't care. I am not doing it on camera. No matter how hard I try, I'm always out of frame. It's annoying. These are the Kiss 003 lashes as well. I have applied some Joji Marin Argan Oil all over my face to kind of get that glowy foundation. To fill in my ugly ass pores, I am using the e.l.f. Damn it, what is it called? Here it is. Poreless Face Primer. Boom. For foundation, I use the Infallible in 420 and 455 and mix it together to get my bronzy shade that I'm faking. Next, I'm going in with, you know, my fake concealer. I use just the foundation, my preference. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything with my beauty blender, well, mostly my T-zone, and then I just wipe it away with a brush after it's baked for about like 3 minutes, I would say, so I don't get oily throughout the day. I've seen a big difference doing it this way now. I guess baking does actually work. Brows, you know, I got a fun trick here soon. Boom, she done. Wouldn't it be life would be so much easier if actually the brows were able to do that? Snap the finger, done. Bronzing, use any bronzer you have. I am bronzing the crap out of my face, guys. I can be here all day, but I'm just going along my cheeks, cheekbone, forehead, like I said, all over. I don't kid when I say us pale girls can look tanned, even without a fake tanner. Going in with this blush from Makeup Geek, it's called Romance. It's a very shimmery, pinky, terracotta color. And guys, I went light. Aren't you proud of me? But I did think I went too close to my mouth, so I just patted that out with my Kabuki foundation brush I used earlier. Going to the waterline, I am using Rue Bonaparte. I think that's how it's called, from M.A.C, and it is like a nude. You can also use a white, and this just kind of really opens up the eyes a whole lot more. You can go with like a darker brown if you want. It's just gonna make your eyes look smaller is all. Going in with a definer brush with that BRUN color, very lightly defining the lower lash line. I do not want it to be completely dramatic because this is supposed to be a natural look. Going in with just any brush you have. I don't know why I grabbed this one, but it's just a flat top one, and I grabbed a little bit of the Toast to buff out the lower lash line and to connect top lash line and lower lash line. The eyeshadow I'm using for my inner tear duct is called Champage Quartz. It is again also from Bobbi Brown, but any highlighter you have will work totally fine. The one you use for your face, just anything that will give that pop in the corner will work. I am also using that on my brow bone with just a fluffy brush. Connecting lashes, falsies, and the regular real lashes. Don't ask why I just said it like that. This mascara is Maybelinne Total Temptations. I am almost out. You also gotta be really careful on your lower lash line, guys, because if you go too close, you're going to wreck that white. This lip gloss, very, very deceiving. I was really upset. I wanted that kind of like champagne color, but this is what we got. I forget what the name is, but I'll link it down below. I almost forgot about highlighter. I was like, what am I missing? This is Precious Petals by Wet n Wild. I went ham, guys. I went on my cheekbones, my cheek, my nose, above my eyebrows, lips, chin. You can't go too much highlight on a bronze look. Nope, never. That's my everyday look, guys, for bronzing or anything. Whatever you want to use a bronze look for, this is my go-to. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!